Remember all those hours you've spent planning lessons and writing reports? With IB Genie, those hours are now yours again. This is about more than just efficiency, it's about restoring balance to your life as an educator. Introducing IB Genie, the app that's about to revolutionize the way you plan and execute your teaching. This isn't just any educational app, it's a powerful assistant that will transform your IB teaching experience. Harnessing the might of OpenAI technology and in-depth expertise in International Baccalaureate, IB Genie will guide you in creating expertly tailored scope and sequences, unit plans, lesson plans, and even report comments, all in a matter of seconds. And the magic doesn't stop there. IB Genie comes with a unique feature called Magic Mode. This tool can morph into anything you need, from a plagiarism checker ensuring the integrity of your students' work to a life coach offering insights and advice for your personal growth. Freedom and flexibility are at the heart of IB Genie. You're not confined to preset options, you can create and customize your own prompts. This means that the app adapts to your teaching style, not the other way around. IB Genie, it's more than an app, it's your partner in education. It's time to experience teaching in a way you've never imagined before. Discover the magic within you, with IB Genie.